Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel if you're new. I know you've seen the picture, you've seen the title. We are on our way to Woodburn. Of course, I have to take a road trip. I have to take a really cool way to get there, so I have the GoPro on top for you guys. We're gonna be hitting Astoria for lunch, Seaside, Cannon Beach, stopping in a couple areas, get some pictures, see the sights a little bit. So yeah, I bypassed I-5 for you guys. Now we're on this really cool road that goes along the river. There we go. Quick stop. This is where I kiteboard. So if you go down my videos a little bit, I have a kiteboarding video of Jones Beach, and this is the spot that I kiteboard, right in these ponds over here. And this is the road that I always see people on going by, so I've always wanted to go on this road. It looks amazing. Yeah, I think we have some seals. Oh, there he is. Oh, there, you got a fish. Really far away. Sorry about the quality. I got it zoomed in really far, but yeah, seal. Eating that fish. Look at that guy. He's choking it down. That was wild. I don't know if I got it on video, but that seal totally went vertical with the fish in his mouth and just choking it down. That was awesome. All right, let's go back to the car and get going. On this road, middle of nowhere. I'm gonna come down here, turn around, whole bunch, like an inch full of dust on them. I'm turning around, I'm stoked. Here we go again, knocking on random people's doors. Well guys, I've knocked twice, no one's answering, so I think we'll just take a quick peek. So we will carry on and hopefully find some more cool stuff. It's been like 5 minutes, I still can't stop thinking about that guy's house. You know, if he has 4 V-dubs sitting outside, he's gotta have something tucked away somewhere in the shop or in the garage. There was a ton of outbuildings. I'm gonna be thinking about this for days, weeks. But yeah, really cool area. We're just getting out into kind of like the bay, the Astoria Bay here. We're gonna stop, take some pictures at the bridge, and then go to Astoria, eat lunch, and then continue on down the coast. found a place to park. Parked right there. Hopefully everything is still there when we get back. So I am starving, and we have actually a lot of miles to cover today still. So yeah, we gotta eat, and then we gotta get going.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, good.
You?
Yeah, just me and. Sure, why not? The fish and chips, the apricot fish and chips. Yeah, it'd be awesome.
Do you want a kombucha or water or something?
Water. Is the family area, and this is kind of like the bar and bar food area?
No, it's just different menus. Down here is more pub style food.
Okay.
Upstairs is a pizza.
Okay, and then live music's on what days?
Sundays.
Sundays? Okay,
Yep.
awesome. Thank you. So good, guys. So I'm sitting here eating my food. I'm like kind of looking up at the beer, thinking I really want one, but I gotta drive so much. I don't think it's probably a good idea. But I'm looking up there. I'm going down the list, and I see Vortex IPA, and I'm like, oh great! Like, how can I not get the Vortex? So I'm gonna have to get a beer. So the Vortex has came, and she's gonna give me a little sample, which will be perfect for the road. Oh, that's so good. What was your name?
Tracy.
Tracy, nice to meet you. Thank you so much. I'll see you.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes. All right, guys, we are out of here. Trying to do anything with two hands when you're holding the camera is so hard. 8 feels so much better. I must have been way hungrier than I thought I was. So now we're gonna check. Hopefully the car's still there, and get back on the road. Here we go. Next stop, Seaside, guys. I don't know why people go so slow over this damn bridge. It's 45, just go 45. We're going 30 right now. It's just a bridge. People freak out. I don't understand why. Get some, get some tweakers, man. They're so crazy. Get some pictures, get some video where I can, but you know, we gotta try to hurry up and get down there, so. So real fast, guys, I just made a quick stop in Seaside, but if you are in the North Oregon like coast, Clean Line Surf Shop is the place to be. Josh, the owner, is awesome. Hooks me up all the time. Wetsuits, boards, everything I've ever bought for surfing or kiteboarding, I bought in here. So if you are in this area, please come check them out. All right, let's go. So that is Haystack Rock, guys, in Cannon Beach. I really wanted to try to get a video of the you know, rock in the background, everything, the car going by, but there's just too many people. So I'm going to pull over right now because I'm getting pulled over by the police. Oh.
The idea that you got all these cameras set up.
I know.
But guess what you can't have?
What?
A camera in your hand while you're driving down the road.
Really?
Correct. It's called distracted driving in the state of Oregon.
Ah.
So the one up top is great.
Okay.
You're driving down the road and that's cool. But that one you cannot have in your hand.
I got it. And I really wanted to put this on the side and just get the car going by, but it's not going to happen. Too many people, I don't want to, you know, cause what everybody else is. So
I like the gear of the car too, dude.
I thank you. That's what my channel started as, with building this car, and then
telling me I'm going to be on YouTube?
No, I won't, unless you want to be.
No, I don't.
You're really nice though. This is the first time I'm going to an event down in Woodburn, Oregon.
Oh, okay.
So
well, you're off the beaten path a little bit.
I'm just like, dude, I'm all about the coast and doing road trips and stuff, so that's why I went this way. So
I need to get your driver's license, registration, proof, and insurance for the car.
Yep.
What year is it beat up?
It's an 87.
About small town cops, right?
No, I grew up in a small town, you know, so I know. So that's why I'm so glad you're nice. So what was your name?
James.
James. Nice to meet you.
I'm Jenny.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you for being cool. I'm gonna put this down before I drive away. I'll see you guys later.
To take you.
No. See you later. Thank you. So yeah, totally my bad, you know, videotaping when I was going past the rock for you guys. So they're really cool. So we're gonna put the camera down. We're gonna get going. Here we go. To grab my camera when I'm going down the road. This is for you, officer. So that tunnel was awesome. Hopefully the GoPro picked it up. I'm not sure if it's going to. So I got one more stop. I wanted to get pictures, and then we get... Ooh, the car's looking good. Dude, this pull-off is magical. I mean, I've sat here and ate lunch so many times. So, down there, that is Manzanita, and usually when the wind's blowing, kiteboarding and stuff down there. So the small town you guys just saw me go down is Manzanita, and being this close to the beach, like I cannot just go by. I have to go at least put my hands in the ocean. So that's what we're doing. Quick stop, really cool town. Where we are or what just happened, but I just pulled in to Volkswagen Mecca, it looks like, on this back road here. So I'm gonna get out and knock on the door, and hopefully someone comes out. Let's do this. So there's a whole bunch. Oh, there's this card, Beaver Creek Bob's. That's the number I think I called already, so. Man, oh, I wish someone would come to the door. There's lights on. Bob's on his way. This Mark II coupe, really catching my eye. I wonder what's wrong with it, or what happened to it. What's up, man?
I'm not Bob.
You're not Bob?
I'm not Bob, no.
Okay.
I'm an emergency customer.
Bob! You got some action today.
I got a customer. I do a lot of air cools.
Okay.
Not a lot of water cools.
Okay. He seemed to like the car, so I think he will. Thank you, yeah, thank you.